Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Zenfone 9 battery life. Finally getting to this vid. I wanted to put this out about a week ago, but I've been paying more attention to creating content, case reviews for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I got a few cases in from Rinky for the S23 Plus, so that's really super cool. Yeah, I've been putting out those videos. Today is the official announcement from Samsung on the Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphone series. So if you're watching this video after the fact, then thanks for coming on by and checking out the vid. On my way to the dentist, it is cold out there. It's below 30 degrees. That's why I have the glove on. And the car's finally warming up. But yeah, I wanted to spit this video out, give you some screenshots. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you are a hardcore gamer, you may have to charge up, especially if you utilize 8K video, which a lot of you aren't going to do that. Okay, but in case you do, 4K video, 8K video, because 8K video is there. It's in 24 frames per second. You will have to charge up at some point in the day for 15-20 minutes to get through your day. But outside of that, if you are pushing this phone decently heavy, casually, or just maybe you're a very minimal user when it comes to a smartphone, you're going to have great battery life. This phone is amazing with battery life. I'm going to throw up the screenshots. I'm going to tell you a little bit of what I do here on the channel. Most of you know, but I have to share that information for the new viewers. This phone is going to kill it. If you can get past the fact that it's a small phone, and a lot of you love small phones, doesn't have a telephoto shooter, no wireless charging, this phone, when it comes to connectivity and battery life, really good. Performance, functionality, you got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. Performance functionality gets it done. Again, connectivity, creating content on my Zenfone 9. I'm here at the dentist. I'm going to park and keep talking. Editing, processing, uploading to YouTube directly from the Zenfone 9, and still getting great battery life. Great battery life. No issues whatsoever. Watching movies, videos, taking lots of pictures, shooting lots of video. Here's the thing. What's really important is multitasking. I could be watching a movie and in the background a video is processing on my Zenfone 9, and once that's done, I upload it to YouTube. I'm not getting any hiccups, any stick. I'm not getting any overheating, and battery life is still great. Okay, there's nothing happening to my experience when multitasking. And for me, multitasking typically is while I'm processing a video in the background, maybe on a phone call, again, watching video, listening to music, whatever it is, maybe some web browsing. Battery life is still amazing. The screenshots are going to show for themselves. And I think there's one or two screenshots where there was still plenty of battery juice left, and I took the screenshot. I didn't finish out. I think one of them is like over 5 hours, and there was like 20-something% battery juice. So if I had finished the day out and not gone to bed early, yeah, I could have got another hour and a half, 2 hours. In my opinion, it's a thumbs up. It really, really is. Battery life will be very, very good to you if you bring in this phone. It's great battery life. And with that, I am out. So now I'm going to go to the dentist. I will go through and edit in the information that needs to be edited in. And looking forward to your feedback. God bless you all. Peace. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.